Hey guys, Michael Singer here with Opsynx AI. Just want to demo our database reactivation solution to where you can use it in a cold calling sense or a nurturing sense for leads that have come in and maybe haven't booked or have no showed. Keep them in your pipeline. So hope you enjoy. So the process starts with the contact record. The contact record will exist. It'll either be in here with a bulk upload in a database reactivation sense. It'll start from the pipeline. In our case, in our client's case, it will start from them uploading documents or a funnel. Either way, the contact record and contact information will be in here. We'll then use a tagging mechanism. In this instance, I say DB Reengage and tag this contact. The DB Reengage tag is now used as a trigger, and we add the prospect information to the NEDSO contact list, sending over contact first name, contact last name, contact phone number, contact email. After that, we create an opportunity and place it in staging lead stage of the nurture campaign DB reactivation pipeline. Now that same tag activates the trigger for the DB reactivation AI caller script, which we find the contact by the phone number. So that's primary key. Once it's found, we then create the opportunity or update the opportunity to the pipeline stage call lead in the nurture campaign DB reactivation pipeline. Then we make the AI call from our demo environment, which is the Opsynx AI build Claire, who is our database reactivation agent for Opsynx AI production environment. Once the call is made, we now add a tag called NEDSO. Doesn't matter what you want to call your tags. Then we also create a condition where if the tag has NEDSO, we create or update the opportunity to lead called, which is the end of the pipeline. So now I'm going to tag the contact, which will trigger the voice agent to call my phone here, and you'll have it qualify me. So here we go. So add the contact, add tag, and then you go to engaged. So here's the call. Hello.
Hi, is this Michael?
It is.
Hi, Michael. It's Claire from Opsynx AI. Thanks for checking out our lead solution. I noticed you had a demo scheduled with us previously, but couldn't make it. I wanted to see if now might be a better time to reconnect. Do you have a minute to chat?
I do.
Great. I saw you were interested in our insurance leads demo. If you don't mind me asking, was there a particular reason you couldn't make the last demo, or did you just need more time?
I just needed more time.
Got it, Michael. I completely understand. Timing is everything. Since you're already familiar with what we offer, would you like to schedule a quick demo with our AI success team? They can walk you through how we can help grow your book of business and answer any specific questions you might have.
Yes.
Okay. Let me check our calendar for available slots. I'll be right back with some options for you. One moment. Thanks for waiting, Michael. I have a couple of options for you. Would Monday at 8 a.m. or Wednesday at 2 p.m. work better for you?
Wednesday at 2 p.m., please.
This will just take a sec. Your appointment is confirmed for Wednesday at 2 p.m. You'll be meeting with Opsynx AI Success Team, our human experts who will guide you through the demo and answer any questions you have. Thanks, Michael. Looking forward to it. Have a great day.
You as well. And now you see the appointment booked, and then opportunity created, and it went through all the stages. And lastly, you see the contact information and appointment booked on the other platform. So that is how we are currently using database reactivation and re-nurturing leads that may have canceled, not followed up, or didn't move forward on the call, as long as they weren't disqualified, allowing for much more lead generation in the sense of looking out for the dead lead lists. So, hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that demo. We really appreciate it. If you're an insurance agent and you're looking for either a voice agent or a full client acquisition system, Opsynx AI is here to help you. And please click the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this content, and we'll be sure to make much more.